My name's Anna. Welcome to the comparatives and superlatives for adjectives and adverbs. Now, let's talk about the comparatives and superlative adjectives first. What are comparatives and superlative adjectives? Comparative adjectives compare to people or things, animals or places that are different in some way. For instance, he is taller than his sister. You see, in this example, we are comparing two people, whoever he may be, and his sister, and he is taller than her. Pay attention to the structure of this sentence. We have he, which is the subject, and he happens to be a noun. Then, he is taller than his sister. You see that we have subject, verb, and comparative adjectives. And then, we have then. And we have the object or the thing that the person or thing is being compared to. On the other hand, superlative adjectives are used to show the difference between more than two things or more than two people in a group. For example, Paris is the biggest city in France. You see in this case, is comparing Paris to all the cities in France. We are saying that the biggest, and we use that est to show the difference. We always use the in front of it, the biggest. So, that is the structure. We have subject, Paris. We have is, and then we have the, whatever that superlative is with the est. And then we have what we are comparing it to, and that is the all cities in France. So, how do we form comparatives and superlative adjectives? One syllable adjectives we have cold, colder, coldest. Next, we have one syllable ending vowel consonant. For example, thin, thinner, thinnest. Two syllable ending y. Happy, happier, happiest. Two or more syllables adjectives. Expensive, more, less expensive, most, less expensive. And final ones, we have irregular adjectives. For example, good, better, best. Now, let's move on to the comparative and superlative adverbs. As you know, adverbs are words that modify a verb, adjectives on another adverb. And what are comparative and superlative adverbs? Comparative adverbs are to compare two verb actions, while superlative adverbs are used when describing a verb, typically to the highest or lowest degree. Now, the formation rules for superlative adverbs. First, one syllable adverb. We have hot, hotter, hottest. Next, we have more than one syllable adverbs ending ly. Easily, more, less easily, the most, least easily. Final one, we have irregular adverbs. Badly, worse, the worst. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.
Created using Powtoon.